Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Kimaya and welcome to episode 3 of K Talks. Okay, so I am shooting this a night before posting, and honestly, I don't know, I didn't felt like shooting a video, or I didn't felt like I couldn't think of anything, like any topic or idea. I was so stuck that I couldn't think of anything कि मैं क्या post करूँ, क्या बोलूँ, or even I got the idea that what I have to talk about. फिर भी I couldn't frame any sentences, or I couldn't think of the subtopics I wanted to talk. Today, like randomly I thought ki yes, I can talk about these things that I am feeling. I have creative block. I don't feel like shooting sometimes. I am feeling stuck, and these are the topics people want to know about. These are the topics like my audience and I personally want to talk about, because at the end I'm making this video for myself to look back and thinking, Maya, you said this and you have to do this. I know everyone feels the same, especially the micro creators. Not even micro से भी कम जो होते हैं वो creators. I feel that कि you keep pushing yourself even though you have a very less audience, even though if you have very less numbers, reach and everything, you every day push yourself to be there, to like create content, to do something that really resonate with your audience. The pressure of always being relatable, what will people like, going to the with the trends, just doing same things what other people are doing, because that's what you are going to get reach for, and that's what people are currently watching. In this era of shorts and reels, time span to watch is very less, very less. I work in the creative field, and I know what people are going to get hooked on, and I know they have only 3 and less than 3 seconds of time span to watch, and you just have to grab their attention in that 2 to 3 seconds, and then they'll continue to watch your video, reel, shorts, everything. And it's very hard to stay original. It's very hard to post consistently, to think out of the box, or to make a 5, even 10-second shot, because everything is done. People are doing the same thing, people are consuming the same thing. So if we are even doing something out of the box, people won't like it, people won't recognize it, and we're just doing for the sake of doing it. There's a short span videos which is viral everywhere. I personally, for the YouTube, I'm saying I am posting YouTube videos, like a long format video. I love making long format video rather than just making a 10-second shorts, because I can feel, I can just be myself in the long format video. I can just express myself. I can do whatever I want to, and I love doing, I think, 100 times before posting a short. But for long format video, I just do whatever I want to. I edit whatever, like however I want to, and still I feel happy, and I don't feel uncomfortable, or I don't back out from posting for the long format videos that I am posting right now, and which feels great. People are very focused right now for shorts and reels, but at the end it just gonna get scrolled. At the end, people are not going to connect with you, people are not going to, it's just another content, I feel. But the people who are acing the short format videos are great, who can make like 30 seconds, 15 seconds video relatable and can connect with their audience, are great. But then there's this thing ki if you post consistently, if you post twice a day, if you post one at least shorts a day, people will follow you, people, you will get reach and everything. And I just don't feel like posting shorts that much, because of course shorts will get you reach, short will get you subscribers, but and we are not building a community, we are just increasing our subscribers. And I personally don't want that. I don't want subscribers, I want community. I want them to feel as my family, or as someone who is there to help you, rather than just some person on the internet telling you to do things. I don't want to be that. But for Instagram, I just do it for the sake of trend. I just do it for the sake of to be consistent. I do it for the sake of numbers, I feel. And I'm brutally honest about this, I won't lie. Yes, I do that for Instagram. That's why if you go through my Instagram, I feel I don't have a particular niche for it. I don't have particular format or anything for it. There are people, there are like everyone is just making content, posting reels, posting everything, and then you are just blending in and आप ऐसे निकल के जाते हो उसमें. You are just in the भीड़ and it just feels too much. Some of them are saying कि you have to be consistent. Some of them saying कि एक बार ही पोस्ट करो, आप दो बार पोस्ट करो, टाइमिंग्स देखो, ये देखो, algorithm चेक करो. But is there even a algorithm? I doubt, because हर वक्त अल्गोरिदम बदलता है. आप अल्गोरिदम के जैसे करो तो भी कुछ फायदा नहीं होता. So I think these are the three things that matter the most: quality of content, and just post for yourself and not just for the sake of posting and being relevant. No. And third thing, an important thing is, which I feel is also the factor, is luck. And even though if you are saying na ki consistent raw quality hai, yeah, I feel somewhere 1% is your luck that you may get viral. For the YouTube, it's completely different. For YouTube, it's always consistency, quality, and being relevant is what I feel for YouTube. I don't know ये topic कहाँ जा रहा है, but I feel like I just ranted too much in this video, and I don't even know what to put title for this freaking video. इस वीडियो से तो मुझे नहीं लगता आपने कुछ सीखा है. बट इस वीडियो से आपको आई थिंक ये पता चल गया होगा कि दिस इज हाउ द माइक्रो कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स फील. दिस इज हाउ I think so. It's not even about content creators, it's about everybody, that everybody wants to do everything in their field and everybody wants to blend in their field. So I think it's for everybody and not just for the content creator. मेरी phone storage full हो गई इसलिए angle भी change हो गया. But yeah, I just want to say at the end कि it's okay to pause. It's okay to have creative block. It's okay if you feel like you are just blending in and not doing anything, because that's what everyone is doing, I feel. And I just want to say कि आपको जो अच्छा लगे वो पोस्ट करो, आपको जो relevant लगे आपके लिए वो पोस्ट करो, but not the bad things, guys, please. And just breathe, take a pause, think before you do something. And if you are in this field, in content creation field, please don't give up, because I know you're gonna get succeed, and I know you're just doing your best. And please doing your best, at the end you will see your results. And because I'm saying this, because I also feel the same, that I'm doing my best, and some, not now, not in 6 months, not in 1 year, but at least in 2 years I will be something that people will recognize me, and I will get what I wanted at the end. Time doesn't matter. What matters is your efforts. Abhi ho ya baad mein, it's okay. Just continue what you are doing in any field that you are in, and just take a break. Just breathe, pause, think, and do what you feel like. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked my third episode. And yeah, if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And guys, we are only, I don't know, 15, not 15, sorry, I don't know, 30, 40 subscribers left for 1K. And I'm so excited. तब तो इतना heartfelt आपको वीडियो देखने मिलेगा ना. तो yeah, I'm so excited for that. And I'll see you guys. I'll see you. क्या होता है जब vocabulary? I'll see you guys in the next week. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.